Gold and silver both traded with a slightly bullish bias. However, I will still say that still very much traded in range. As I said, for gold to 1980 2020 levels, you should watch out for. Precisely, it is trading within the same limit. So what to expect today? Which position you should take trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First, we'll look into gold, followed by silver, and this is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start first with gold. Now look, gold is still after this drop, it is retraced here, then the sharp drop, lower lows, and then this retracement. See, if it could have breached beyond the previous highs, then certainly we could have been more bullish, but it has failed to breach beyond the previous highs of this channel, and hence this is indicating that still there is bearishness. It is not willing to stay above 2015 levels, and I have told you yesterday also 2013.5 2015 levels you should watch out for. Now see, after that, after this drop, it is retraced here, higher highs are done. Now it is trying to breach this channel, and hence once you see it staying below 2000 or 1998 levels, yes, you can expect another round of good bullish bearish move, where we will be looking forward to 1995, 1990 and 1980 this time. In fact, because see, this is after the retracement, this is trying to breach. Possibly it can bring little more bearishness, and in fact it can breach beyond 1980 if it continues to trade in this downward path. Now see, the stochastic is looking down, the MACD is bullish trying to converge, RSI is trying to look downwards here, and if you look at the 2-hour chart, similar is the story on the 2-hour charts. So if you connect the dots, you will find that this is kind of an expanding triangle. It is yet bearish. It has not breached the previous high. So yes, you can buy today again above 2010 levels. However, remember 2013.5 2015 levels, it needs to breach pass by, and in fact till 2020 do not consider this as bullish. A reversal confirmation is only if you see gold trading above 2020 levels. So yes, a good buying entry is above 2010 levels, while a sell entry at 2000 or 1998 is good enough for you, which will take it till towards 1995 1990. Till 1980 you have to put a $5 trailing stop loss, which I have been repeating since last couple of days. The stochastic was overbought. Now looking down, the MACD is it has retraced slightly. It is looking forward to converge crossover. RSI is trying to look down here, and if you look at 3-hour chart, similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts here, and we will wait for it to give a breakout on the downside or on the upside as well. The stochastic have dropped here. The MACD have crossed over, trading with a slight bullish bias, but it can cross over again. Let's see if it does. RSI almost trading flat here, and likewise on the 4-hour chart. Now see, likewise on the 4-hour charts, it need to break below 2000, and then further more bearishness will be seen there. Stochastic was overbought, looking down. Now the MACD is on the verge of a crossover. It has not yet crossed over. It is still trading almost at the bottom there with sub-zero levels. The RSI is almost flat, but trying to look down, trying to show slight bearishness here on the 4-hour charts. Now let's have a look at the daily chart. Most importantly, see the 20-50 100 period moving average have peaked out, it appears, and they are trading with extreme divergence. Always since last few days we have seen 20 period moving average, that is exponential moving average, giving it a very good support. Right now also, if you look at, see the last 3 candles, lower highs are seen here and higher lows are seen. So let it break below 1990 once it stays below 1990, there is going to be further more bearishness, which is going to take it till towards 1980, and this time in fact we may see it breaching 1980 also. So just stay short below 2000 levels, and below that further bearishness can be seen. The stochastic at bottom, the MACD is still divergent and bearish. It is looking down. The RSI is almost flat here. Considering this, a buy entry today is about 2010, where you can stay long, but remember it needs to breach beyond 2015 and then 2020. Till 2020, it is not to be considered bullish for this week, and only about 2020 we can expect it to rise. Remember this fact and take your positions accordingly. On the downside, you can sell at 2000, but then till 1980 put a $5 trailing stop loss. Just keep booking your profits and keep re-entering. That is what you can do, because it can still show you good swings, and hence take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 1st of May, register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at silver. Now see, similar is the observation with silver. The sharp drop here, retracement, sharp drop here, retracement, and now again it is looking forward to the drop here. Lower highs, lower lows, which means there is a possibility that it can breach past 2480, and then below that we may see 2460, 2440 levels. Remember the possibility of silver to retrace till $24 just because it is right now trading in a $24 to $26 block. Hence these $2 it might try to stay for a little while before it tries to give a breakout either which ways. Right now again it is trying to look down. You can stay short below 25. See, 25 is certainly a good support. If you see it trading below 25, you can stay short for 2480, 2460 and below levels. The stochastic has seen a good drop. The MACD trying to converge crossover for a sell. It is in green right now. RSI trying to look down. And if you look at 2, similar is the observation on the 2 hour charts as well. See, sharp drop, retracement drop. Again trying to look downwards here. Stay short below 25. And yes, only a buy entry is seen if you see it trading above 25. 30 levels though. So once you also look at the moving averages started to converge crossover here for sell. So silver is probably trying to give a bearish indication. Stay short below $25 and you can expect further drop. The stochastic is looking down. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover. It has not yet crossed over. See, it can stay bullish for a while. It can stay bearish for a while too. RSI trying to look down, trying to trade moderately bearish. If you look at 4 hour chart, this is the first red candle after good retracement. You can see this. It is retraced here, rise there, the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement, and now again trying to look down. And if you look at the candle size is big enough here. And yes, if it continues to trade below $25, you can expect 2490, 2480 as a good support. And then below that, we are looking at 2460, 50 levels. These are going to be the next strongest support. It may try to achieve those levels before looking forward to an upward move. Stochastic looking down. MACD is still bearish on the 4 hour charts. RSI is trying to look down. And if you look at the daily chart, now see on the daily charts to $25 levels, yes, it's a good entry for you to sell. $25 levels also are a good support for now. You can see previously this was the resistance. Now it is going to act as in support. However, every support and every resistance is meant to be breached. Possibly once it stays below 25, you can stay short for 2490, 2480, and this time 2480 is breached. We are going to look at very, very good drop there. So if you also look at the next support, 2460 is a very good support from the 20 period moving average. The stochastic, which was consistently trading overbought at this point, I had told you that we are looking forward to a drop, and see it has seen a good drop. It has come to an almost bottom. But look at MACD, this has just crossed over. This has just started to diverge. This has started to look downwards. It appears silver has a lot much on the downside to cover here. RSI was also overbought. It has dropped a bit. So considering this, I will recommend you to sell at 25 and buy at 25.30. Only buying entries above 25.30, where you can expect 25.50, 25.60 as the first target, and then 25.80, $26 levels. On the downside, you can sell here at 25, then wait for 24.90, 24.80 levels to be breached. Below that, 24.60, 24.40 and $24 levels are the next support levels. Keep your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and come and join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.